openly done against the ND. And that religion has tremendous followers in those states. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat because nobody can fight with
Kalong ke pemla ban priang ya ke jingkren jong Himanta Sharma Chief Minister ke Assam hakba uloong bakajing job jong ke VPP ha Meghalaya bakajing bom job jong ke NPP hapo Assam bat Meghalaya hagane ke MP election ke dei nakadau jong ke wi ke niam bat kata kalong ke niam Kristan tiki pajba hato pisngo kumdo umo ya ke bakum kata ke kentin hapo pajba ujit yiginong mi kwan ya ke party Henry ubru ubala ban sensha bat banyarap ya kakya kasyon jong pajba paro ti hakani ka video ka merilum channel ka wanra shpi ya ka jingkran pendrem jong president ka VPP kata ba Ardent mila basayo moj baruloong ru ba Himanta udai ban Bishar ya ka kam Lajong ya ka jong kiwei bat basyushu ba Ardent uloong ru ba ka jingjob jong ka VPP ha Meghalaya kam dei na ka niam ni ka balang Henry ka dei ka jong pajba paro ti hakani ka video tungin ya ngap hadu ka bakut ba ka ka ba Ardent uang persya CM ke Assam kata Himanta Sharma.
Citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe in the Constitution of India, respect the provision of the Constitution of India, believe in secularism, and the party that protects the interests of the minority communities. Therefore, you cannot expect that as a Christian, I will vote or elect a person who belongs to a party that stands against the Constitution of India, that is not circular, and which is also a threat to the minority in the country. And that is the right of every citizen to decide. Therefore, I strongly condemn his statement, which was not the fact, which was unfounded, baseless, and communal in nature. His statement, to my mind, was only to mislead the people and try to create communal disharmony in the country. And I'm sure that his many statements have really brought shame to the people of Assam and has greatly affected the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. So once again, I condemn his statement, and it is unbecoming on the part of the Chief Minister to pass such kind of a remark against another state in the country.